How to Download High Quality Videos on Netflix 2025 Updated Guide. Welcome to How to Mastery, your go-to channel for quick and clear tech tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to download high-quality movies and shows on Netflix. Step by started. Step 1. Open the Netflix app on your Android or iPhone. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the menu, select App Settings. This is where you can manage your download preferences. Step 4. Under the Download section, tap on Video Quality. You'll see two options: Standard, lower quality, smaller file size; High, better picture quality, larger file size. Step 5. Choose High to make sure all your future downloads are in the best available quality. Step 6. Bonus tip. If you want to download high-quality videos faster, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Also, ensure you have enough storage space on your device because high-quality files take up more space. Step 7. Now, whenever you download a movie or show, Netflix will automatically save it in high resolution for a better viewing experience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to download high-quality videos on Netflix in just a few steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more helpful tutorials, only on How to Mastery.